Hi, Annie here. Hey, I've got a great home and garden hack for you today. I always get confused about the plants I need when I'm putting together my pots for the spring. So what you need is a marker, a pair of scissors, some clear contact paper, and a clean piece of cardboard. Also the pots that you intend to fill. So what you do is just quickly make a line around the pot, and that will indicate the space that you need to fill. And then you just go to the next size pot, whatever you need. And oftentimes I do the top and the bottom, so I know exactly what I'm working with. And you just indicate patio 2. Then you put a clear piece of contact paper right on the top of it and take it to the nursery. And what you end up with is a nice big map of all your pots and how many you need of each one. So what you can see is happening is when you go to the store, I want to fill this particular pot with geraniums. So I just fill up this cardboard, and when I come home, I've got a whole pot full of geraniums. And here's a little phlox and some petunias. That's your hack for today.